WPEF 25 News starts with breaking news.
Breaking news first at 5. Hurricane Melissa makes landfall in Cuba overnight as a Category 3 storm, and new video from overnight showing the impacts as the storm approached overnight. More than 700,000 people have already had to evacuate. And that comes less than 24 hours after a historic landfall in Jamaica. Hurricane Melissa triggering flash floods all over the island, homes ruined, and neighborhoods littered with debris. Yeah, what a horrific storm we're dealing with. Good morning to you. I'm Erin Guy with Nathalie Pozo and Stephen Graves.
Yeah, appreciate you waking up with us. We're getting you caught up, everything you need to know. We're bringing you team coverage. Jolie Rodriguez has more on what our local communities are doing right now to help out people who have been affected. But first, let's start with Sandra and that 5 a.m. advisory that just came down.
Well, it just came down because we had a landfalling Category 3 major hurricane over the eastern and southern part of Cuba. West of Guantanamo by 60 miles is where the center of Melissa is right now. 115-mile-an-hour winds, picking up a little speed, moving northeast now at 12 miles an hour. The pressure is still really low, though. So at 5 a.m., Category 3 over the eastern tip of Cuba continues to move through and pass through the central Bahamas as a strong hurricane, Category 2. And then after that, it moves up into the north and east, slides very close to Bermuda, where there is a hurricane watch up right now. So we are just very fortunate in the southern United States and all of the U.S. for that matter to have that vigorous cold front, which is giving the hurricane the block. And so that's why we're not dealing with it. But over Boca and just offshore in Boynton Beach, a few showers out there this morning, but that's going to be few and far between this afternoon. We're going to see nice conditions. Take a look. There is Melissa. Here's the first blocking front. Here's the secondary front. This one bringing in a mass amount of dry air and much chillier temperatures with the lows in the 50s.